Hello guys, today is on Tuesday and I've not been able to vlog on Monday, so I'm vlogging today. I'm cooking, so I've already cooked rice, as you can see here. I'm going to cook matoke and put some minced meat on it, so you guys will see. So we'll put on the nyanyas. Right guys, sijui hadi inakaaje. So we'll put on the nyanyas. Nilikuwa nakata carrot and then niendelee kukata carrot and then niendelee kukata carrot kwanza. So today is very hot. Leo like kuna juu ingine serious. Enye like you can't, lazima tu mtu avae vitu loose like juu ile juu iko huko nje acha tu inawaka kuwaka. So nakata zile carrot ngani nimekisha. My chopping board fell off my drawer, so I'm using my hands. Most of the carrots that are in nakula. So here are the warus. I'll wash them again, and then kuna minced meat here, and then nyanya hivyo huko na carrot already washed again. So minced meat nimeshaika minced meat wendo inakaa. Hawezi. Ika rowe. And then tuone venye itakuwa. My food is ready.